These are these countries. This one is arresting this one. So many.
Beston.
My brother, how are you? You didn't go out today?
No, I didn't go anywhere. What is this one?
Leave him. Since when he has been here counting money.
Counting money?
Yes, look at his hand now. He's not counting money there.
Oga Caretaker, good afternoon. Oga Caretaker, I'm greeting you.
14.
Oga Mark, they are greeting you.
21.
Caretaker, good afternoon.
23. 23. What is it? What is wrong with you people?
Oga Caretaker, he was just greeting you now. This is not fight now.
Did you people not greet me in the morning?
That one was morning. This one is afternoon.
Share the greeting there. Greet him. You people should share the greeting. Use it and do what you want. It's only morning greeting I'm accepting now.
He's acting as if you have not seen money before.
Don't mind him. That's he's always doing. Jesus.
Lie down there. Lie down there. Lie down there.
I said, sit down.
Say lie down there.
Sit down there. Sit down, I said lie down.
Which one should I do? Should I lie down or should I sit down?
Sit down. Be very careful. I am the boss here, and I should give the order.
You shouldn't give me command.
Do you know how many years I have been into this business?
You shouldn't give me command.
This is over 10 years I have been into robbery. My father robbed, my mother robbed, and the same thing I am doing. So you cannot come here to order me.
You came here to rob, I came here to rob. We are robbing together. Together we shall rob.
As far as this business is concerned, I remain the boss.
Chama, Sima, I tell you, I rob with Makapu. I rob with bullets.
You even dropping gun for me?
Cannot do anything.
I think the worst thing I've ever done is to bring you into this business. Okay. If that be the case, I will show you.
I'm not a newcomer in this game, oh. We done the rob. We've been robbing since, oh.
Do you know how many people I have produced in this robbery? Do you know? Do you know how many who are under me?
See, we are in this robbery together. We are robbing together.
The worst thing I have ever done is to bring you into this business.
That might not have sense.
That is the worst thing I have ever done.
You don't have sense. You don't have sense. You don't have sense. You don't have sense.
You're a fool.
You don't have sense.
The fool you are.
We came here to rob.
I started robbery before you.
Brother. See, you people should not quarrel. Yeah? When you people enter yourself, I thought that you people are brothers. And in this compound, we don't used to quarrel. Please, if you are quarreling now, our neighbors will think that you people are fighting. And this compound is a very peaceful compound. In this street, people know that this compound, there is no quarrel. And in this street, two fighting is 1,000 naira. Unless you people want us to now find you 1,000 naira after you fight here finish. Yeah? You people should be robbing in peace. Don't be quarreling. Yeah? And don't allow the devil use you. The devil is trying to use you now to scatter your business. Don't allow the devil use you. Please, you people should not quarrel. I like the way you people are robbing in peace, robbing as brothers and brother. Please, you people should continue like that. I'm even jealous in your robbing. Please, forgive him. You forgive him, you know. Take your gun. Forgive him, yeah? Forgive him. No?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You are very, very lucky. You are very, very lucky. You're very lucky.
Chai. Sorry, you know.
Sit down there. Sit down. Where's the money?
Hey, what money?
Sit down.
Are you taking the money?
I hope you're sitting very well. Smile. Come on, let's go. Smile.
Mark, you were a fool.
You, my mother, you think it's easy?
Calm down, Mr. Azu, calm down.
No, I don't want to hear anything.
Azu, take it easy, please.
Let me ask, have you lost your mother before?
Just calm down.
It is easy to lose your mother in this hard time. Mark, you are more than evil.
Calm down, calm down.
No, at the end of this meeting, if Mark does not provide that money, if Mark does not provide that money.
That is why we are here. Calm down. Calm down.
This is bad.
Very bad. But yes, calm down, please. Mr. Mark, you know it is our culture in this compound to always contribute money once any of us loses their father or their mother.
Yes.
And in the case of Mr. Azu here, we all contributed 5,000 naira. And you being the oldest tenant in this compound and also the caretaker, we gave you the money to hand it over to Mr. Azu. But the story we are hearing now is surprising. So please tell us, what did you do with the money?
Tell us, caretaker, tell us.
See, that time you people contribute that money. I wanted to carry it and give to him. Then Corona now catch us and now lock us inside.
Hey, what has Corona got to do with his mother's burial money?
Ask me. Mr. Mark, where is the money?
And now chop it.
Did anybody hear him? Now he's both to tell us that he ate a money that's meant for my mother's burial. Mark, you are both to tell me that he ate money that's meant for my mother's burial. Mark, you are an info. You won't know what you are.
Mr. Azu, calm down.
Now this guy is safe for now.
Caretaker, me, I want my money back. I want my money back. Me, I want my money back, oh. I want my money back.
Me, I want my own money, oh. Money I would have used for sub. You people say you want to do burial. I want my money, oh.
See this one. We are here discussing. You are there pressing phone.
Calm down, everybody, calm down. Mr. Mark, as you can see, they all want their money back. So tell us, how will you give us the money back?
See, I'll pay back the money.
How? Because I know you are jobless. How do you intend to pay us the money back?
I think in this compound, if person mother die, they will contribute money for the person mother burial.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
The way I'm looking at it, my mother will soon die. And when my mother die, you people should not worry. Don't bother and contribute money for my mother burial. That money that I eat, from there, I will settle it to counterbalance. But mind you, it's not only one mother I have. I have my main mother and I have my godmother. So, if my godmother die first, you from there and counterbalance. Then if my main mother now die, you people will now contribute another money for me. Because you cannot use one contribution and use and bury two mother.
Okay, no, everybody's sitting down comfortable, listening to Mark. What kind of story is this? Somebody wishing his mother dead. He said when the mother died, we should take money from him. You are owing me money. You took a money that's meant for my mother's burial. You ate the money. You are comfortable sitting down here, telling us when your mother died. Mark, you are an evil person.
Calm down, calm down.
No, don't tell me to calm down. You sitting down comfortable here, he ate my mother. Go bury that money. Let's go bury her. On our pocket money, no. It will hang on your neck. It will hang on your neck.
Take it easy, Mr. Azu. Please, sit down.
So, because they are begging you, sit down, you are doing like this. If there's anybody that should be proud here about mother that will die, it's me. Because I have two mother. What is wrong with you? Yeah, doing like this. I beg, go. If my mother die, you people will take the money from there. Then, let me warn you. If my other mother die, you don't contribute new money again, you will see what I will do you in this compound.
I cannot sit down here and listen to this man. You want to eat the money? Eat the money. Eat the money. Eat the money.
I will eat it.
Eat the money.
I will eat it.
Eat the money. What happened to you? Eat the money. What happened to you? Eat the money.
Is it only your mother that can die?
Mr. Azu, please come back, please.
I don't know why. I don't know why he's shouting as if it's only his mother that can die. You're shouting. You think it's only your mother that can die? See, let me tell you, my mother can die too. My mother is a good dyer. My mother can die more than your mother. Yeah, bragging. As if it's only your mother that can die. Let my mother die for you, you will see. Nonsense.
Mark,
Agony.
you are a fool.
You are a big fool.
Thank you. How did you know?
So, Bisten, you are trying to tell us that we cannot trust anybody in this compound again. Bisten, you are telling us we cannot trust anybody in this compound again. We gave caretaker money for burial. He ate the money. He's not even afraid of the dead. Now we contributed money for NEPA bill. I mean for electricity bill. You ate the money. I don't know. Something is wrong in this compound. Something is definitely wrong in this compound.
Nobody is trustworthy in this compound. Besten. You disappointed me, Besten. Ordinary electricity bill. We have been sleeping in darkness because of you. Caretaker is known for looting money. We could not trust him with electricity bill. We said, okay, Besten, carry this responsibility. Only to pay NEPA bill. How much, Kwanu? Only NEPA bill, ordinary NEPA bill. You still follow caretaker, you follow the footstep of your caretaker to eat the money. Besten, where is the electricity bill?
See, Besten, you must tell us where our money is, so. I think you people say that caretaker used to loot money. You caretaker used to loot money. That you will not give me money again to hold. You now went and contributed electricity money and carry it and give to this thief. Me, at least me, when I want to loot, I used to loot 1 month, pay 1 month, loot 1 month, pay 1 month. But this one loot everything. You loot everything. You don't even know how to loot. I am the rightful owner of that money. But you people contributed the money and gave it to Besten. You say you trust him. You don't trust caretaker. Look at your trust now. Look at it now. Besten, you have to tell us where our money is. That money we contributed for electricity bill in this compound. You have to tell us where it is.
I can no longer stay in darkness in this compound again. You must provide that money today.
Please tell us how you spend that money. Tell us how you spend our money because we cannot stay in darkness in this compound. Again, we can't.
Besten, where is the money? Where is it? Where is the money? You are doing your face like that. Where is the money?
You cannot eat our money and go scot-free, Besten. You cannot.
Where is the money? Where is the money, Besten? Where is the money? Hey! You two, you are fainting.
He's trying to take you out of this world, but you can't.
Give him sugar. Besten have faint.
Hey,
Bring a Pepsi. Bring a Pepsi.
Come. Besten, yeah.
Allow him.
Oh! Now you want to take my mouth? Eh? This small faint is somebody fainted. You cannot even give the person milk or glucose. You are using your hand to do like this. Eh? Are you a Samson? Eh? Do I look like a lion?
But you faint now.
I'm okay.
Let's all go back. Let's go back.
So somebody fainted. You cannot even give the person milk. This one is the
See, you cannot faint your way out of this situation. No. You have to tell us where our money is. If you don't tell us where that money is, I will beat you. So you better start talking now.
My friend, tell us what happened to our money.
Okay. You want to know what happened to the money?
Yes.
Okay, I will say what happened to the money. You see that money you all contributed? It was 10,500 naira.
We know.
Actually, it was only 500 naira I took out from that money.
But why? No, but why? Is this his money? It's not your money. But why?
Caretaker, calm down. Forget that one.
Besten, continue.
The remaining 10,000 naira, I was instructed by caretaker.
It's okay.
Minister for Electricity. Continue.
I was instructed by
You know, it's okay.
Allow him to talk now.
It's okay.
Caretaker, wait. He's about saying something. Wait.
It's okay. Madam, don't go there. It's okay.
Caretaker, allow him to talk now. Besten, where is the 10,000?
No, don't go there. Don't go. It's okay.
Caretaker, allow him to continue.
Leave it. It's okay. Off your mic. It's okay.
No, get
Off your mic.
I don't understand what is happening in this compound.
Is there anything that people are doing that we don't know?
It's okay.
Is there anything that people are doing that we don't know?
Remove your mic. It's okay. It's okay.
Let him talk now.
It's okay. No, it's okay. Faint. This man just came out from fainting. He just came out from fainting. Let him rest. Faint.
Are you trying to play politics with us? Are we fools?
In this compound.
What's happening?
I don't understand.
Come. It's like that Pepsi you will give him did not work well. Go and buy him water milk. Yeah? Buy him water milk. Go and buy him water milk. It's okay. I'm the caretaker here. I will take care of it. What is how much? What is it that let us talk about his medical this thing. It's okay. He just came down from fainting. We shall allow him to rest. But I faint well. I have sent them to buy you water milk. Faint well.
Caretaker, I don't like what you are doing. Allow this man to continue.
No, don't go there. Okay, see, next week we will continue this story. Let's leave this week on, this Friday. In fact, no video for this Friday. Next Friday, we'll continue this video. Don't worry, cut. No more video. Leave it. Next week, we'll continue this. Cut! It's okay! It's okay! It's okay! Okay, faint well. Are you still rolling?
Yes.
For why? I said cut, you are still rolling. Okay, off the camera. Let's go off the camera. Okay, off the camera.
Leave the cameraman.
Best time, well done.
Mimi, please, come. Sorry. In the morning, I heard you shouting. I even thought I was hearing you in my dream. So what happened?
I came out this morning. Soup I cooked last night. I did not see any meat inside my pot. And this is not the first time this thing is happening. Anytime I keep food in my house, it's either my meat is not there or the food will go half. And I always lock my door. I don't know who comes into my room and how the person gets in to eat my food. Because I don't know if it's a spirit that is coming to eat my food.
Wait. Mimi. I thought I was the only one experiencing this, so. No, seriously. I thought I was the only one experiencing this. 2 days ago, I made beans. Only for me to go out to get Gary to take the beans. I came back, my beans has gone down. I don't know how. And like you said, my door was locked. So,
Listen, things are happening in this compound.
Wait. I think it is rats. Yes.
Rats?
Yes.
How does the rat eat the food and close the pot?
Wait, Mimi, see. There are 2 rats I saw in my room this morning. Very big rats. If I look at them, they will look at me. I look at them, they look at me. I do hey. They do ha. Seriously. And from the look of things, those rats are not from here. Those rats must be mushy rats.
Listen, if these things are really rats, they are Ikorodu rats. Rats that can close pots, eat your food and close the pot. They are Ikorodu rats. They even pick meat from the pot.
But wait, how did Ikorodu rats come into our compound? Who opened the gate for them? Who burned them? Who formed them?
See, Basten, those ones are not the issue now. The issue is to find a solution. We just have to find a solution to all these things before they start fighting us. Before rats will pursue us from our house. That is what we have to talk about now.
So what do you suggest?
I think the solution is to fumigate this compound so that rats, everything, all of them will die.
Fumigation will not work. Fumigation cannot work here because those rats I saw, they are not normal. Those rats look armed. They look like militants. They're not normal rats. So fumigation will not work on them at all. Don't say something else. No fumigation.
Yeah, I think it's fumigation, but I think we should just call a meeting and just tell Caretaker, let him call a meeting this evening. Let us know. Let's know the way forward. But I think fumigation will work.
If you say so. I don't think it will work.
They are still rats, no matter how big.
Okay, no problem. All right, now later now.
Okay now.
All right, take care.
Okay. Listen.
Hey!
Well done.
Hey, never.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I see you've gotten new bedsheet.
Yes,
they are fine. Hey, I was hearing you and Mimi discussing something. I was hearing, what happened?
My sister. It's rat.
Rats?
Yes. Big rat. These rats are doing terrible things in this compound. I was telling Mimi 2 days ago, I made beans. Only for me to go out to get Gary to take the beans. I came back, the beans has gone down already. So I was wondering, where these rats are coming from? Because they are terrorizing everybody, including Mimi. Everyone just complaining about these rats.
My brother, there was one rat I saw in my parlor. The rat was like this. Big rat. I think that's their chief. If it's shining, you need to see the skin. The rat is shining. You know, normally now when you see rat, the rat is supposed to run or something. I was looking at the rat like, and I said, get out from this place now. It was doing me as if I heard something like, no.
Ah! That must be the same rat that I saw in my room.
Are you serious?
Yes. This morning, I saw 2 big rats. I did like, hey. They did, ho. I'm sure I heard that too. I'm sure. See, those rats are dangerous. They look like militants.
Especially that fat one that have shining skin.
Hey, talking about shining skin, I think they're using organic cream. Yes! That's why She's gonna be shining like that now.
It has happened again, oh. It has happened again in this compound, best 10. It has happened again. Hey, see my rice, see my rice. That rat we're talking about, see my rice. The rat has eaten my rice, oh. Rice I cooked this morning before I went to work. The rat has eaten my rice. Hey, best 10, oh. Where is Caretaker? Where is Caretaker?
This is serious, oh.
Caretaker! I'm fed up.
What is happening? This what happened? What is it?
Mr. Azu, this morning I cooked rice before I went to work. My rice was full in this pot. Now I came back, I just opened my pot. I can't find my rice.
This is getting serious in this compound. Serious? This is very, very serious. Come, pretend. Come, Caretaker.
Caretaker! Caretaker! Before we stay here now, I have to eat all of us in this compound. Caretaker! Caretaker, come please.
I am cooking for rat, oh. I am cooking for rat.
Come. Come beside. Rain does not fall on one man's roof alone. What is even happening?
Caretaker, things are going bad in this compound. Things are going sour and bad in this compound.
What is the matter?
Mr. Azu, tell him.
Mimi, tell him your experience.
I won't hesitate. Caretaker, this morning before I went to work, I cooked rice. Rice that filled these pots. I did not eat before going to work. Now I came back this afternoon. That rat in this compound has eaten my rice. I cannot find my rice.
See, Caretaker, that's not even the issue. 2 days ago, I made beans. Only for me to go out and get Gary to take my beans. Before I came back, the beans have gone down. And the worst part is that I locked my door.
Bester, is rat disturbing you?
Yes.
Is rat disturbing you? Don't even ask me that. Is rat disturbing you?
Of course.
Me, rat is disturbing me. Caretaker, is rat disturbing you?
Yes. It's disturbing me.
What did the rat do to you?
It's taking my thing in my house, oh. These rats are wicked, though.
What have we done to this rat in this compound? We cannot rest in our own house. Yesterday I was coming back from work. I bought bread. Big bread, jumbo size. And I took my time. I went to the market. I bought tomatoes. I bought plenty things to prepare egg sauce. I bought 8 eggs to do egg sauce. Only for me to go to my house and prepare the egg sauce. Just for me to keep it on top of the dining to get coke. I came back. I could not see my bread. I could not see my egg sauce. I did not see anything.
My friend, shut up there. Yeah, prepare egg sauce. Prepare egg sauce. Which egg sauce did you prepare? It's only bread that you buy. You say you prepare egg sauce. Empty bread, safe. It's not even jumbo. It's small bread that you buy. 15 naira bread. Yeah. Doing like this. You buy jumbo. See, so don't lie. Don't come and accuse innocent rats. I didn't even rat see egg sauce to eat. Will rat still be slim like this? But now rat would have fat. Yeah, saying you bought egg sauce. Empty bread that is 30 yeast. And you are claiming that you cook full pot of rice. Who does you? This rice now. This rice, when you cook this rice was here.
When she cook it, just small. It's 1 cup of rice that she cook. She says she cook full pot of rice. Nonsense. Yeah, claiming. Yeah, lying in public. And you?
Rat eat my beans. Rat eat your beans. Beans that are sour. You are supposed to be attacking the rat. Because the rat have helped you to eat beans that are sour. Yeah, in fact, you're owning the rat.
Do you know how much medicine I bought the rat bought? Nonsense. And you, if everybody is talking, don't talk in this compound though. Don't talk.
Do you cook in your house? Have you ever cooked in your house? Since you enter this compound, have you ever cooked? You have two pots, 3 spoons and 2 plates, and you have not ever used it in this life. If you enter her kitchen, there's nothing, nothing. Rat will not even say anything to eat in her kitchen. She's here, others are talking, she's following and talk. Nonsense. Let me not hear you talk again, no. Let me not hear you talk again.
Caretaker, wait. Caretaker, how did you know that she does not cook?
She does not cook, oh. She has only 2 pots and 3 spoons and 2 plates. And she has never used it in her life to cook.
Wait, Caretaker. How did you even know that Mr. Azu here did not use egg sauce for his bread? Also, how did you know that Mimi's rice was not up to this level she said it was? And even my beans, you said it was sour. How did you know?
It's the rat that used to tell me.
How?
Caretaker, so you are the one that is stealing from us.
Oh, you are the rat?
Yes.
Don't worry.
Run.
My belly!
Nothing will happen to you, it's okay.
Will I die?
Nothing will happen to you.
Pastor, will I die? It's spelling me. Call doctor again.
Mr. Azu, what is going on here now?
I don't know. I was discussing with Basten down there. All we just heard is my belly. I don't know what happened.
Mr. Azu, call the doctor.
Nothing will happen to you. Hello, doc. Where are you now, please? Yes, we have emergency now. Please, just come quick. Yes. The doctor is coming, doctor is coming.
It's paining me. It's best time, no? It's best time.
Listen, what have you done?
No, nothing, no. Nothing.
How can he be saying nothing? Did you give him weed?
No, I don't give him any weed, though.
Why is he calling your name? Is there anything you're hiding from us?
Best time. Will I die? Will I die?
Listen, open up so we can know how to help now. Tell us.
People are fighting in my stomach.
Okay. I will talk. Yesterday, I was on my own, no.
They eat a lot of money. That's why I say I want to contest for this street chairmanship.
Are you serious? That would be nice, though. Very nice.
That's why I'm telling you. You need to help me. Let me win chairmanship of the street.
I will help you.
So you help me, you gather the youth. When we are doing the next election, let everybody be rallying around and be voting for me. Anybody that don't agree, we scatter something.
No, don't scatter. See, there's no need for scattering anything. No. There's no need, don't worry.
You think that all these old men will allow us? No, we need to scatter something. If they don't agree, in case they try to take us out of this thing, we scatter something.
Especially Papa Tochi. That man, no, he's the sitting president now. And we need to unseat him.
When we do our own election and win, what we will do is, anytime they contribute money in the street, we'll use it and buy bike for the youth. Then the rest, we'll chop it.
Yeah!
Anytime anybody raise head and say, they are using our money, yeah, the youth will fight them.
Bam! See, I am suddenly behind you. I am behind you.
Now, I'm ready for politics. So.
Bam!
I don't want to just be caretaker in the compound.
No.
This compound is not contributing enough money.
My own caretaker.
You'll be my PA.
No problem, I'll manage that one.
Look at them. Birds of the same father. So you people are planning again to eat our money in this compound. That is all you do. People wake up in the morning and go to our work. All you need to sit down and find who you eat this money. Birds of the same father, lazy people. Don't worry. Nobody's going out from this compound today.
Why is this guy having no temper?
Nobody's going out. Come and go out, let me see. You see today, you couldn't do. Your cup and feed. You provide all the whole money you eat in this compound. If everybody's keeping quiet, me as will not keep quiet. The money they contributed from my mother's burial, you ate the money. You compared with him and you are pretending. You thought I would not know. You ate the money, compared with him, you ate the money that was meant for my mother's burial. Mimi again was doing wedding. Mimi gave you money to snap our picture. You ate the money. Who contributed money for electricity bills? You ate the money. You ate the money. Both of you conspired and ate the money. Nobody's living in this compound. For your information, I've called the police, I've called the EFCC, I've called the Navy, I've called the soldiers, I've called the NCDC, I've called everybody, all the forces in Nigeria. Nobody's living in this compound.
Okay, wait, Mr. Azusi. That one you just said now concerning burial money, your mother's burial money, and Mimi's this thing. I was not among go.
See, Mr. Azu, there's no need to make up. Yeah, there's no need to make up. What do you really want? Is it the Mimi burial wedding, or your mother burial money, or the electricity bill that you want?
We want all the money. I want all the money. All the money people have been eating in this compound, we want all the money.
That is what we are discussing here.
Yes.
Is it not your money that we sat down here and discuss? It's because of their money that we say we are not going anywhere. See, since you people left in the morning, we have been here. I have been thinking, how can our compound people contribute money? He will now chop it. It's not good. That's why we are here putting heads together as men to come to a conclusion.
Listen, if I must listen to any of you, but nobody will live in this compound until you provide those things.
Mr. Su, calm down. See. What we are trying to do is to see how we can even bring the light so that we have light in this compound. It's not what we are talking about. I have a friend that's working in NEPA that can. Why is Mr. Azu always angry? Why?
Is there any other person in this company?
I don't know.
He's just carrying everything in his head.
I imagine.
I think I have a solution.
So what's your solution?
No, this money that you eat, it's causing problem.
Who eats? Me or you? I only took 500 naira.
What did they give the money? When they contribute money, who did they give it?
To me. and I gave it to you.
Use your brain, no. Use your brain before you go to jail. See, this money now, everybody talking about it. So, we have two options. Is either you provide the money or we use the next option.
Provide? Caretaker, you don't ate the money. Now, why are you calling me? I only took out 500 naira. Out of 10,500 naira, I took out only 500 naira. Why are you saying money that you eat, as if I'm the one that ate the money?
I will keep quiet here. Okay.
Don't be offended. I can't somebody play with you, but I know I'm not the one that ate the money, Sha, but what's your solution?
We use the strategy that Nigerian government used to use in politics. It is called masses distraction. Distraction of the masses.
Which is?
Let me give you an example. Do you remember that time that $1.8 billion was missing from NNPC? Have they shown us where the money is?
No.
Distraction. They use another evil to cover that evil. BB Niger. Big Brother Nigeria. They now brought out Big Brother Nigeria. People now started watching Big Brother Nigeria. They now forgot about the money.
You have a point there.
Do you remember that time that they say snake have swallowed money in Nigerian government?
Yes.
Did they provide the money?
No. Even till today, they have not brought that money.
Do you know how they distracted us with it? They now came up with another evil. They now say that rats have full Aso Rock. We now started pursuing rats. We now forgot about snake.
You are right. You are correct. These people are playing good politics. So
that is what we are going to play. We are going to distract the people of this compound.
How?
We are going to do another evil. They will not forget the evil that you have done. We will kill Mr. Azu.
Kill quoi?
Yes.
No. I'm not in this one at all. I don't like this idea at all.
It's not kill. Like, he will nearly die, but he will not die.
But die is in it now. You say nearly. What is the difference? I don't want.
We will find poison that will nearly kill him. By the time we take him to the hospital, he will be in the hospital. Then we will not be fighting for his life. We will not be helping him, and we will not be shouting, Azu life matter, save Mr. Azu. We will not be doing campaign. That one will not be trending. Then people will not forget about the electricity bill that you chop.
Okay, Caretaker, I don't like this idea. I don't like this idea.
He will not die. He will nearly die.
What is the difference between die and nearly?
It's like you don't want. You want to go to jail. I think you have heard him. He said he have called EFCC. If EFCC come here now.
Why are you talking as though I'm the only one that ate the money? Me, you are the one that ate the lion's share. I only took out 500 naira from that money.
You don't have sense the way I'm looking at you. See, let's just do this thing, no? Let Mr. Azu do as if he wants to die. By that time, everybody will forget about this provide our electricity bill. Now they are doing hashtag provide electricity bill. By that time, they will not be doing hashtag save Azu life, hashtag Azu life matter.
Though I'm not comfortable with this idea, but how do we now go about it?
That is what you are supposed to be asking. See, it's you. You are the professional in this area. You will poison him, then he will nearly die. We will rush him to the hospital. Don't worry, me, I will head the campaign. I will be the person that will be heading the campaign. Save Azu, Azu life matter. Don't allow Azu to die. We can even make business from it. We can even say he has cancer that people should contribute. Let us fly him to India.
But why will you always put the thing on me to do? Me. Which one will you now do?
Who chop the money? Sorry, who did they give money to?
It's me, and I gave it to you.
Who did they give the money to?
Me.
You don't have sense.
Caretaker.
Check outside.
Caretaker, I have just thought deeply about what you've told me, and I accept. But give it. Pink your hand now. This is the poison. Now see, calm down. See, I thought about what we discussed earlier on today, and I accept both of us are in this together.
But you are the person they gave the money.
But you are the one that ate the money.
It doesn't matter who chopped the money.
It doesn't really matter because both of us are in this together now. So you have to also play by my own rule.
How am I going to poison somebody?
I am the one about the suggestion. See, calm down. Calm down. See. Tomorrow, I will have a lovely conversation with Mr. Azu. A chit chat. We'll have a little chat together. So I will buy a drink. While we are drinking, I will distract him. So then you'll be hiding somewhere. Then you come and put it in the drink. And when he takes it, hospital straight.
It's not that you are using your wisdom. Now you are using your brain. See, I didn't mean you allow this thing to linger. And all these people now start saying, pay us our money. The next thing now they will carry a plaque and go and write electricity bill and go to Asoro and go and be standing. You don't want that kind of thing.
And they can even report to landlord. I need you to know that kind of a thing.
Landlord will now give you quick notice.
And I don't want to pack out. I like this compound. I don't want to pack out.
It's good. So tomorrow, just get him. You people should be drinking. Take him away. I will put what is inside here.
You don't need to know. See, just keep it very safe. Water should not touch it because it's like powder. Keep it very safe. So what will happen is, like I said, once I call him out, we'll be drinking. As we are drinking, I will use style and distract him.
I'll put it. Bam. It's okay. I've been doing this thing. That Mr. Azu think that he has sense. Push him out of the way.
Nothing. He cannot do anything.
Don't do as if and let me follow back here.
Okay, follow that side. Let me follow this side.
Don't make anybody know what.
Keep it well,
Mr. Azu, my very good friend. The only one that makes me happy in this compound.
Wait. Bastan.
Mr. Azu.
Bastan. How many times did I call you?
I was not even counting.
What do you think I don't know what you're up to?
How?
No, do you think I don't know the games you want to play? How? Listen, Bastan, I refuse to be bribed. Bastan, I am not Mimi. I am not even one Yocha that is keeping quiet in this compound. You people cannot eat my money and go free. You see, you and Caretaker will provide the whole money in this compound. Nobody's going out. I'm still with the key. Nobody's going out from this compound until you provide that money.
Mr. Azu, that was not why I called you. No, this is a friendly drink. Okay, it's a friendly drink. Or after all, don't we sit out and drink before as friends? Going to the part of what you said about me and Caretaker, I want to make this clear now. You see, yesterday you saw me and Caretaker. We were actually discussing on how to raise the money. We were putting our minds and our heads together to see how we can make sure that power is restored in this compound. We even went to the NEPA office yesterday to talk with some of the officials so they can come and put us back to power.
We want our money and we want electricity in this compound. After that, nothing more.
Mr. Azu, calm down. You see, as a matter of fact, there is something very important I want to also tell you. But the truth of the matter is that I don't want the walls or any other person to hear this. It's for your ears alone.
But there's nobody in the compound now.
No, Mr. Azu. Have you forgotten the popular saying that the walls have ears? So I want to tell this to you alone.
Anyway, as long as you provide the money and the power we need in this compound, I don't have any issue.
It will. Let's just go over there. Let me tell you. Okay? Mr. Azu.
So that was how it happened.
Hey! Jesus! Bestin! You and Caretaker want to poison Mr. Azu because of money. How much, Wanu? How much?
No, it was not my idea. It was Caretaker's idea. I'm innocent. It was Caretaker's idea.
So you conspired with Caretaker to kill me?
No, it was not to kill you. It's just that you nearly died.
Why are you
This is wickedness. You are very heartless.
I didn't know Caretaker has gone this far. Oh.
Ha! In this small compound.
Call doctor.
Huh? Don't worry, let me call the doctor.
Call doctor.
I will call doctor for you, don't worry.
Call doctor, please. They are playing football in my tummy.
Doc, where's your people? They are close. Oh, sorry. I didn't call you. He's fine now, he's fine. He's okay. He's even eating, he's fine, he's okay. So let him just go back. Thank you. Yes, sir.
No. He will die here.
No, he will nearly die.
Will I die? He will nearly die.
Please, if I mistakenly die, please, you people should not contribute my burial money and give it to Bestin, no. Don't give Bestin my burial money, he will eat it. He will eat it,
Thank you for watching that very funny Markangel fan. Okay. Oh, are we waiting for action?
Markangel TV, you're not coming.
Markangel fan. Okay, TV.
Funny Vine, TV Funny Vine. See that Funny Vine. Markangel TV Funny Vine now,
Markangel
TV Funny Vine.
Markangel TV.
They high.
I'm poison.
They drink poison, they high.
I covered the name.
Thanks for watching that funny Markangel TV Vine. Please, subscribe to this channel.
Pico. We are begging you.
And see you next Friday. I want to apologize for not uploading the Mr. Lawansi family show last week because of some circumstances that we could not control. We promise that tomorrow you are going to get the episode we are supposed to upload. See you next Friday. Please, if you have not watched Markangel Comedy, go to our other channel, and go and watch Markangel Comedy today. Yes. Go and watch Markangel Comedy. You will like it.
You will enjoy it.
And please tell your friends to subscribe to this channel. We are trying to get 10,000 likes for this video. Please. We are trying to get 10,000 likes for this video, please, so that you encourage us to do more video.
Yes.
God bless you. Thank you for always supporting us. You are wonderful. And because of you, we have reached 500,000. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please, let's get it to 1 million.
Yes.
Let's get it to 1 million, please. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you next Friday.
I didn't die.
And please don't poison anybody.
No, please, I'm innocent.
No matter what somebody does, don't poison anybody. Don't play with it, please.
I'm innocent.